So we have to find out greatest term in the binomial expansion. Okay, so just look at this. I will be giving you ax plus by equals to n. So you have to memorize the result for this thing. Okay, and look, I will be taking help of this while explaining you the concept. Okay, so now let's expand this thing. So you know that you will have nc0 x power 0, nc1 x, nc2 x square, nc3 x3 dot dot dot. You have to understand and you have to memorize result for this condition, because always you can never expect that they will give you 1 plus something power n. Okay, so they can give you anything. Now we are interested in finding greatest binomial term. Means what I feel is, like, I will be observing this, the ratio of tr plus 1th term by tr. Okay, so I am following this condition. So if this is greater than 1, this means numerator is bigger than denominator, correct? So till the time this trend will follow, we will get our greatest term based on r. Okay, now you also know that we guys are interested in finding greatest term magnitude wise. Okay, so like, it doesn't matter whether you will have positive sign or negative sign. Okay, we are interested in magnitude. Suppose that I am 2 and you are -5, so you are bigger. Okay, so this is magnitude wise greatest term. So for that I will put mod. Now what I want to do is, I want to multiply both sides by mod of tr. Will you allow me to do so? Yes, because mod of tr is a positive number, so you know that if we will multiply positive things to the inequality, it doesn't affect the sign of inequality, correct? Now let's apply that expansion. Okay, now you know that this is term 1. So for term 1, lower subscript of c is 0. Term 2, lower subscript of c is 1, and we are interested in finding term tr plus 1. So the lower subscript will be r. So can I write ncr x power r magnitude, correct, greater than equal to, and here we will have 1 less. Okay, so it is ncr minus 1 x to the power r minus 1. Okay, now be super slow. You know that ncr is a number, okay, and it is a positive number, so you can take things outside. Okay, so you can take ncr common. We will be having n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial, and you will have mod x power r, because x can be positive or x can be negative. Okay, n factorial r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 factorial mod x power r minus 1. Now be super slow and just observe things. So can I divide both sides by n factorial? N factorial is a positive number, so we can do that. It doesn't affect the sign of inequality. Can I multiply both sides by r minus 1 factorial? So this thing will get neutralized by this. We will be having r. Can I multiply both sides by n minus r factorial? So this thing will get neutralized. We will be left with this thing. I want to divide both sides by mod of x power r minus 1. So this thing will be neutralized, we will be left with this thing. Okay, so we have mod x by r greater than equal to 1 by n minus r plus 1. Comfortable? Okay, now let's multiply both side by r and n minus r plus 1. You know it is positive number, so we can do that. So it is mod x n r times mod x plus mod x greater than equal to r. Now I want to find out the value of r, means we are interested in finding the location at which term will produce the greatest thing. So I will take r that side. Okay, so we will have 1 plus mod x. Okay, now so we are left with mod of x n plus 1, correct? Now can I write r as n plus 1 mod x by 1 plus mod x? Now I want to divide both sides by mod x. So r will be less than equal to n plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by mod x. So this is correct or wrong? This result is okay, and this result is applicable for 1 plus x power n. Now look at this, what you have to memorize. Okay, now so our expansion was ax plus by power n. So for that we will have r less than equal to n plus 1 by 1 plus first by second ax. So here who is first? 1. Who is second? Next. Okay, so here what I will write? Ax by by, that too in mod. Okay, so we got r as this thing, and this result you have to memorize. R is less than equal to n plus 1 by 1 plus mod of first thing by second thing. Now if you will get r as integer, okay, so if you will get what? A number. So r will be either integer or something point something. Okay, now if you will get integer, there will be two terms which will have greatest magnitude, that is t, like r is r, so term will be what? R plus 1, है ना? You got my point? And t r plus 2 will have magnitude wise greatest thing, and here what will have something point something. Suppose you got 5.8, so r you will treat as integer 5. So if r is 5, you will have term this as, and here you will take, you know that you cannot take 5.5, r should be whole number, so you will take 5. So in that case you will have only one term which will have greatest magnitude, that is sixth term. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.